In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on X. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on X. So once you've loaded up X and you're logged into your account, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press this blue plus circle button to create a post. From here, what you need to do is come down and you're going to see these different icons at the bottom. And what you want to do is press onto the poll icon, which is this icon just down here. Then what you can do is start to create your poll. So at the top, you can ask your question. Then what you can do is enter the choices in the boxes below. So you can see we've got choice 1 and choice 2. So I could put, for example, as you can see, my question is, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel? So I can put yes for choice 1 and no for choice 2. You can also add additional choices by pressing this plus button next to the second choice to add additional choices. So I could put like maybe, for example, and then what you can do is choose the length that you want this poll to be live for. So you can see it's set to 1 day, but if we press onto this, we can change it. So we can have the poll length, for example, for 1 day and 2 minutes, or basically however long you want the poll to be live for. Also, what you can do is come down and change the publicity settings. So you can see this poll is currently set to public, which means that everyone can reply. But if we give this a press, we can choose who can reply to this poll. Now, once you're all happy with everything, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press the blue post button. After doing this, you're going to get a confirmation saying your post was sent, and if you want to check your poll at any point, what you can do is swipe right from the left of the screen, then go ahead and press onto profile to see all your posts, and you can see our poll here which we've just created, and we can of course keep an eye on our poll from our profile screen. So that is how to create a poll on X. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.